Every legend begins deep within the earth where raw power is born.
From across the world, the finest materials begin their journey. Precision starts the moment materials arrive at a place where perfection is standard. No imperfection is tolerated.
Only excellence moves forward.
Under extreme heat, raw material transforms into possibility. Every component begins as liquid fire, shaped with absolute precision. Strength is forged as heat gives way to form. Power meets precision, forming the iconic silhouette. The skeleton comes alive piece by piece. A structure is born, engineered for strength and performance. Accuracy is verified down to microscopic precision. The foundation is laid for a flawless finish. Protection ensures longevity, built to withstand time. Patience is part of perfection. Every step matters. The first touch of color, bold and unmistakable. Layer by layer, brilliance is achieved. Heat seals the finish, locking in perfection. Only flawless surfaces move forward. Power is engineered from solid strength. The heart takes shape, piece by piece. Seamless power delivery, engineered to perfection. Structure meets power, forming a complete machine. Control, balance, and comfort built into every movement. Control begins here, where precision meets the driver's hands. A connection between machine and human, engineered for perfection. Every seat is designed to hold you, not just comfortably, but confidently. Craftsmanship lives in the details, where luxury is hand-built. The cockpit takes shape, built for both comfort and control. Intelligence is embedded, transforming driving into an experience. Energy flows into the system, powering innovation. A network of intelligence connecting every component. Even the smallest detail is engineered for perfection. Clarity and strength seamlessly combined. Precision you can feel in every movement. The signature red, bold, timeless, unforgettable. A finish that reflects perfection from every angle. The heart is placed and the legend awakens. A voice is given to the machine, powerful and unmistakable. Grip meets the road, where performance begins. Balance and control. Engineered to perfection. A symbol of legacy, recognized worldwide. The brain is activated. Intelligence meets power. And just like that, the legend breathes. Perfection is verified, nothing is left to chance. Built to perform, tested to dominate. A masterpiece ready to be admired. A dream becomes reality in the hands of its owner. From raw material to pure emotion, this is not just a car. This is the Porsche 911.